Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're actually going to be talking about NIO stock, and they have NIO Day coming up, so that's actually what I'm going to be talking about. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're actually going to be talking about NIO, and if you guys don't know, NIO, it's a huge EV company that's based out of China. Basically rivals Tesla. They produce luxury electric vehicles, and if you guys don't know, taking a look at NIO's 5-year chart, IPO'd September 12th of 2018, currently up 263%. Now, the 1-year chart is actually something to be super astounded about. In the last year, NIO has actually grown 1,298%. It's a huge growth stock, and I've been saying this for a long time. I've been saying that NIO is probably the biggest growth stock of 2020. It's been growing like crazy, but there's a lot of reasons for that. Not only does NIO offer actually good products and good technology, but the whole EV industry in itself actually has been expanding like crazy. NIO, based out of China, is already expanding to Europe. You have Tesla, who's already expanded to China as well. So the whole EV market is starting to mature, and it is starting to expand at a rapid rate. And this is why I know that NIO is going to grow to be a great company. At this point, the demand is there. A lot of companies and a lot of analysts are super bullish on the EV industry, basically saying that the EV industry is going to be the future. You have a lot of big companies that have large stakes in these EV companies. For example, take a look at like ARK Invest. They have huge stakes in Workhorse stock and Tesla stock, both two huge EV companies. If you guys don't know, with Workhorse stock, they're basically in talks right now about the USPS deal. But on to NIO Day. So what exactly is NIO Day? So NIO Day is essentially like a NIO showcase where NIO basically shows all the updated cars and technology that they're going to be producing in the next, years to come. And why this is huge for NIO is because, as you guys know, Tesla was founded in 2003, didn't see much popularity until 2013, 2014, and now Tesla here in 2020, making consistent profitable quarters. But the reason why NIO has an advantage and why NIO's basically show day is going to be a huge deal is because technology has come a far way ever since 2003 or early 2000s. Technology is growing more and more every single day. On NIO Day, I could expect better technology, better features, maybe even longer lasting batteries. No one really knows what to expect, but they get to showcase basically all the vehicles and all the stuff that they're going to be rolling out in the years to come. This is why I think people should actually buy NIO stock, because it's a huge growth company. It's a huge EV stock that's absolutely, no one can keep up with the growth. Like I said, guys, look at the 1-year chart. It is up 1,298%, and the company's going to continue to grow. And the great thing about NIO is it's still very cheap for a huge EV company, only sitting at $21.81. To me, I still think it's a bargain, not because I believe in NIO as a company, but I'm very bullish on all EV companies because I know that the market for the whole EV industry has just started to grow, and there's still a lot more room to grow in that industry. If you guys take a look, for example, at Tesla, soon enough they're going to be rolling out longer lasting batteries, more cars, cheaper cars, and I could see NIO actually heading in this direction as well. You also have people rolling into battery powered trucks. There's so much you can do with battery power, which makes the industry in itself very bullish, and it makes people wonder how much more can the EV industry in itself actually keep growing. A lot of people are speculating that NIO is going to go to $40, $50, $100. In reality, only time can tell, but I think people should invest in NIO. Although everything I say in my videos is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion, but I still think NIO is a very good bargain for what the company has to offer and for the consistent growth it's offering, currently sitting only at $21. I think people should be picking up the stock right now. And on top of all that, the whole EV industry and all the stocks, I'm very bullish on all the stocks, whether it be Workhorse or NIO or Hyliion stock. Not because looking at their day-to-day, they might not do so well. I know Hyliion, ever since it IPO'd, has not been doing well, but I'm bullish on the overall growth and where the EV industry is going to be in the next 5 to 10 years. There's already rumors in California that basically Governor Newsom wants everything EV by 2035. This could be a rampant boost for the whole EV industry, and it's NIO's job to continue the consistent growth. They have to keep the brand name clean, and they have to start expanding to the United States, making more making it more attractable to people over here. And the good thing about NIO that actually has over Tesla is a lot of NIO's cars not only have better technology, but even analysts have said that, NIO's going to be an iconic brand, and NIO's cars are also cheaper. I know that Tesla is rolling out a $25,000 car in the years to come. No one really knows the exact date that's going to be dropped, but if you're looking at it from a comparison from the day to day, NIO's cars are cheaper, and they have just more technology, because technology has evolved a lot ever since Tesla was founded, giving NIO the upper advantage to be able to put all these cool features in their brand new cars. So I'm very curious to see what NIO is actually going to be unveiling on show day. I know that they're going to be rolling out a lot of expectations. My only hope is, hopefully NIO can deliver faster than Tesla in this specific scenario. I know when Tesla had its battery day, they basically said that we're not rolling any of this out until 2022, which is a very long time. But if in NIO show day, if they can showcase like fast production and they can get themselves on the road, I know that NIO is going to grow to be a great stock. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below of what you guys are expecting of NIO show day. Do you think NIO is going to continue to grow as a top EV stock? Are you guys bullish on NIO? I'm very curious to hear all your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.